Hey folks, John here at E.C.D Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to bring out to you what's been exciting and new here at E.C.D during the month of October. We really had some amazing builds and also the premiere of our first ever award-winning Porsche 911. I'll tell you more about it in just a minute. To start, of course, on our Defender lineup, we had Project Rutland. It's a Defender 90 hardtop, silver and black accents. Looks absolutely stunning. Very much a factory look in the outside with also some enhancements in the interior of the car. Now this car looks very elegant and sporty at the same time. You will love it, I'm sure. Then we have Project Pembrokeshire, which is actually a Defender 90 soft top painted in Mercedes Diseño Magno silver eggshell finish that look absolutely stunning, and also black wheels, black top, and a tan interior to give it a little contrast. Beautiful looking truck, amazing for the beach or the mountains. If you're looking for something that is a weekend fun truck to drive, this is definitely one to keep an eye on. Then we have Project Liberty, a Defender 110 hardtop, cotton white top, violent blue body, cotton white wheels, very traditional looking and elegant at the same time. And lastly, we have Project Nantucket, which is, of course, in homage to that area in Massachusetts. The car is painted in a light blue Lotus gloss finish, tan soft top. It's got mini light wheels in silver. Also, the interior is pretty much all painted to match the exterior body, and it's got German wheat carpets that could be removed, of course, in the front, middle and back rows. Also some leather weave elements that really enrich the interior of the car. Overall, a stunning looking truck. As part of our newsletter this month, we also have some featured articles on our vintage Mustangs, as well as technologies that we apply in our Defenders. So you can find out a little bit more in our blog. You can check out the highlight video of the month on our now award-winning Porsche 911 Project Gravette, which won Best European Modified Classic at the 2025 Festivals of Speed in Florida. Now, and besides Project Gravette, you can also find a video on our top luxury upgrades by E.C.D. And of course, you can watch these two videos on our YouTube channel where we update all of our content weekly. Under Press Features this month, we showcase again our award-winning Porsche 911 Project Gravette. You will find articles from Car Buzz and Gear Patrol giving you a more detailed breakdown of what this beautiful vehicle contains. E.C.D is also very proud to sponsor the Little Blue Truck project with Genesis Overland. At the tender age of 14, Victor was able to purchase his own series truck by selling merchandise through his website and of course making this dream a reality. And of course we're very proud to sponsor his project and help him out achieve his dream and able to take this series truck all around the country. Now don't forget that we continue to offer VIP test drives and or Defenders as well as Chelsea Truck Company vehicles from West Palm Beach to Miami, as well as the Kissimmee area and beyond. E.C.D's VIP test drives provide a service available within 75-mile radius of its location. Qualified clients will enjoy a one-on-one tailored test drive experience with an E.C.D ambassador arriving at their home or office to present a custom-built E.C.D vehicle for a personal experience. Also important to mention, E.C.D is counting down until the announcement of our partnership with Chelsea Truck Company. See more details on our website. Be sure to follow us on all social media channels at E.C.D Auto Design.